Imagine yourself in this 2015 Jeep Cherokee Limited. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include luxury group engine, 3.2L V6 24V VVT, trailer tow group, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, AC power outlet, 1, air conditioning with dual zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel and automatic transmission. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.